solar system to universal invincible.
Brother, this guy's You're not listening!
Okay, so maybe I reached a breaking point in people downplaying Mark's scaling.
People have this weird mindset in scaling that if you cannot destroy a planet, or if you haven't destroyed a planet, then you're not planetary. When it's literally not even true because it doesn't align with BSBW definitions.
Anywho, we're gonna be responding to these guys and debunking them on invincible scaling, because they know nothing about this.
From large planet plus level.
No, it's small planetary. I don't know where you even got the large planetary scaling, like you're just saying words out of nowhere.
You're both wrong. It's star level.
Invincible 77. Space Racer's gun was used to destabilize the core. Weirdly enough, this blast wasn't enough to destroy the planet. This same gun one-shot stars, by the way.
Nolan destroys half the world of Flaxen's minimum small planet.
First of all, he did not destroy like half of the planet. We don't know what actually happened in it. All we know is that he was absolutely violating majority of cities and most of countries in the Flaxen's planet. And even still, this would make Nolan a bare minimum multi-continental.
Yeah, whatever. Here's Nolan scaling to a young Alan who can cause planetary attacks with just pure speed.
Nolan greater than Space Racer who destroyed a star.
Space Racer does not scale to star level. Space Racer doesn't even scale to star level. The only way you can scale him to star level is through Infinity Ray. But neither him nor anybody in Invincible would even scale to the Infinity Ray.
Will they get caught in the explosion of Viltrum, which included Space Racer's ray gun?
Now, I know it was stated that Infinity Ray can destroy planets and stars, but in my opinion, it's more of an assumption.
No, it's not an assumption. And actually, I'll do you a favor and show you that Alan confirms this.
The reason why this is an assumption is because Infinity Ray was shown to be capable of destabilizing the core of Viltrum. And that's literally the only reason why Mark, Thetis, and Nolan were capable of destroying an entire Viltrum. If not for an Infinity Ray, all three of them would literally just die.
No, actually, they wouldn't die. In fact, I'll give you a quick explanation as to why Thaddeus stated this. He only had one chance to destroy the planet, and Thaddeus didn't want to risk going too low, so he had all the help he can get, and he makes the statement that they're gonna die when 2 out of the 5 allies get taken out.
We could even see that Mark and other Viltrumites literally got knocked out after the planet was starting to explode.
Dude, do you read comics? You're not understanding any of the context. Mark was not knocked out, we literally see him find the very next panel. If you're referring to him bleeding, he was literally getting beat up by 2 Viltrumites after this.
So how are they star level from that? Short answer, they are not.
Short answer, they are, and I already explained it.
And second of all, the author never stated that Viltrumites can destroy an entire planet.
Every time I've come up with anything to do in the Invincible series, like, well, how will I ever top this? Like, what could I do after that? And, you know, like dumb things like, well, I don't know, they punched a planet and it blew up, so...
This can easily be contradicted with the fact that Thrax said that 37 injured Viltrumites are capable of splitting an entire planet in half.
Who would win in a fight? People who try to debunk Invincible, or 5-year-olds with basic reading comprehension? You don't even have to read the actual comic. Just skim through the context and you'll know. Thrax is saying that there's more than enough to completely demolish this planet, because the Viltrumites were already there. It's not that they needed that exact number to destroy a planet. We've seen 3 weaker Viltrumites destroy a star-level planet. Like, bro, this contradicts nothing.
So again, no, Viltrumites are not large planetary, not star level.
So yes, Viltrumites are star level. They have always been star level. And in fact, I'll do you a favor and say they're above star level. Alright, so with the abhorrent Mark skills gone, I can actually get to real scaling. And I've already discussed Tech Jacket and Omnipotent and explained why they're valid. So I'll argue some other stuff. Invincible issue 60. Nike Tech Mark or whatever his name is, he's way weaker than our Mark, and yeah, he defeated Witchblade. Witchblade can take on Jackie Estacado and even overpower him. He can recreate the universe, so he'll just be universal. You can just argue Mark scaling the Jackie even more, because the maskless variant can take on Jackie and survive to day 3, so we likely defeated him. So yeah, Mark's universal. People gotta stop ratting and being dumb.